I've got a package today. It's the Realme Buds Air Neo. It's a white variant. The color it is. I've had this a good knockoff for the Airpods. I think the Airpod first generation. Let's do the unboxing. Let's unbox it. Then we do the pairing, the setup. Inside the box you get the device, the AirPods inside. So the only thing you get is charging cable, this, and some literature on how to use it. This is what you get. A guide, step guide, nothing else. That's all you get. So from the manual, this is the touch sensitive areas. Here it's the touch sensitive area. It has an indicator for the battery here. This is the reset or pairing. I think that is the only what we have. So inside it has portable. It's a portable case, and the case can power the buds, so that when you are using them, if they drain the battery, put them inside. You top up some juice inside, and you get more performance. It's very clicky. Let's try if you can wiggle them outside to come outside. You can. It's really strong. It has a satisfactory click when closing. Let's see. Let's do the pairing. Let's see the pairing, how it does. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm pairing it to my Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's see how it is, if it gives anything. I think I have to hold this to pair. Let's factory reset it first. See the indicator there? See, it's blinking. It has a nice color. So I've opened my Bluetooth. I've seen they're already available. Let me pair. See, already it supports. Sorry, let me not close it. It supports. Let's see if it will go back. See, it connects automatically. Already it supports AAC format. Let's go inside the Bluetooth. Sorry. Go inside and see. You can pick calls with it, media, you can share your contacts. I saw there's an application that you can also download from the manual. Let me download it. Sorry, it's Realme. Sorry, you guys. It's Realme. I think we have to download this application. Yes, this is the application you need to download. Let me download it. Let me put it on. This is the application you need to download it, so that it gives you more control on the buds, so that you can set it to the way you want it to, the touches to be. We are going to see how it does. I've already downloaded the app. Let's do the setup. So it gives you permissions. So I see I have to set up an account. Let me do that. So I already put my account. So let's see what the application gives. Which offering does it give? It gives about Realme Buds Air 3, Realme Watch 2. These are the applications which it supports. That's the health section. This is what it looks like. Let me pair the device. Application. So this is where you find it. They find the device. The device is here. So you have to hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Next, let it find the device. So this is the message you get when you try to set up it for the first time. Let's set up it. It can't set up. So but you can set up it directly on the Bluetooth section. Let's pair everything. So it's already connected. Let's try to listen to some music. For the music, I can put it music, copyright free. Let me turn up the volume. Let me see if they have nice volume. I don't know if you can hear it. And they are comfortable on the ear. They have bass, and apparently I've heard that it has a gaming mode. I don't know how to activate it. I think it's pressing the touch sensitive places at the same time, and it reduces the delay that you can have while playing video game. And it also has a setting that you can boost up the bass. For my conclusion, there are good knockoff for AirPods, very comfortable, fits the ear nicely, and the touch sensitive part, for which I haven't tried it. Let me try it right now, and let's see, does it really have coordinate? Let's see. Yeah, I think it's this one. So see, it can stop. I don't know if you can triple tap. I think it's for the next song. If I'm not sure about it, but you see, they're sensitive and it works. So I'll give you a review of how it sounds. But so far I've heard it sounds well. Already I've seen it has activated the assistant. I don't know how sensitive they are. Are they too annoying, or are they comfortable to use with no disturbance? And so far so good. It's a comfortable device, fits very tiny. I have other ones from Xiaomi. You see, it's almost double the size. So these are very small. Hope to see you in the next video. I'm going to do a review in the following day for another product. Thank you so much. Cheers. I hope all your day goes well. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos and my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos and my channel.